So students, in continuation with the previous video that I have shown, the pollen tube formation will take place, it come out through the germ pore. This is the particular area where exine is absent, the outer layer of the pollen grain, it is absent in the area of germ pore. So from here the pollen tube will come out. Along with it, it carry the male gametes. It is responsible for transferring the male gametes to the female reproductive system. Now we will see that we have to calculate the number of pollens, the total number of pollens that we observe under a compound microscope, and among them how many are showing the pollen grain germination. So we have to calculate the percent pollen germination shown by the pollen grains. And in this way, we have to repeat the observations every 10 minutes. From the starting, I have recorded the observation for 10 minutes, then from starting after 20 minutes, then from starting after 30 minutes. The number of total pollens that I have observed under one view. The first reading was 15 and the number of pollen that were showing germination were 5. Okay, so for first reading I have shown the calculation. This is how you will calculate the percent pollen showing germination. The total number of pollens, that is 15, and the pollen that showed germination is 5. So the number of pollens that showed germination or the formation of pollen tube is 5. I have to divide it by 15. So 5 divided by 15 into 100 will give me the percent pollen that are showing germination in one view. In this way, I have to calculate for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes. I have recorded the readings for it. For the second reading, I have to divide 8 by 14, then multiply it by 100 in that manner. In the same way, for the third reading, I have to divide 8 by 15 and multiply it by 100, and in this way I will get the readings. This is all about the experiment. This is how you can study the pollen grain germination on slide, and you can observe it under microscope. And this is how you can record the readings. You can calculate the percent pollen that are showing germination on slide. Thank you.